hype around the data scientist role will likely not fade anytime soon. The skill is in demand, but that does not mean that a qualified data scientist is necessarily hireable. In fact, as a guest lecturer in the analytics space, I have seen students experience challenges in finding work despite the demand and qualification. Experience, along with these non technical based traits, are almost always the reason behind this difficulty experienced. While experience has to be earned, holding these traits along with the qualification provides a good basis with which to sell the role effectively. Aspiring data scientists must onboard the need to develop such soft skills to master their job functionality, to not only land the job, but to ensure relevancy of the data scientist role in the future. In order to advance in your career as a data scientist, it's important to sharpen these skills. Here are some methods to employ when improving your data science skills. Take online courses. One surefire way to improve your data science skills is by taking an online course. This can be done through various online and offline platforms. Consider learning more programming languages or sharpening your coding skills. Get involved. There are many data science communities that you can get involved with. Joining one will allow you to converse and bounce ideas off one another and ultimately help develop your own skills. Read more. Consider reading various data science materials such as academic papers or textbooks. The more information you retain, the better you will be able to bring it into workplace. And get mentored. Working under the supervision of someone with more data science experience is a great way to grow your skills. You can get mentored by a variety of people, including programmers, developers, data scientists, and more. Soft skills offer an excellent opportunity to cultivate and sharpen data science performance. Developing soft skills not only adds value to your organization but can also take your career to unprecedented heights. More importantly, unlike a lot of current skills, it cannot disappear overnight due to automation. Hope this course helped you understand the other aspect of becoming a data scientist. Do share your review and an encouraging feedback. I look forward to read them. Thank you and all the very best.